Hello everyone and welcome to Pendulum Eating. And in this session we are talking about the vocabulary from this article from the Hindu, and the article that I have taken for you is this. It says the cost of case on drugs, vaccine and regulators. So we know about drugs, हमें vaccine के बारे में भी पता है जो कि we are waiting for the COVID-19 case, and regulators are people, this is a noun. Even vaccine and drugs are also noun. So regulators are the people who regulate or monitor. Okay, जिनको हम हिंदी में नियामक कहते हैं. जो लोग रेगुलेट करते हैं, जो लोग मॉनिटर करते हैं, देखते हैं कि जो चीज़ें हैं वो प्रॉपरली वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं या नहीं कर रही हैं, वो सारी चीज़ें जो हैं वो रेगुलेटर्स के बाद. या फिर आप कह सकते हैं ऐसी चीज़ सिर्फ लोगों को या ह्यूमन बीइंग पर्सन ही रेगुलेटर्स नहीं होते, कोई थिंग भी रेगुलेटर हो सकती है. और आप देखेंगे कि यहाँ पर जो रेगुलेटर्स हैं वो यहाँ पर ह्यूमंस हैं. इस आर्टिकल में तो उन लोगों की बात होती है जो ड्रग्स और वैक्सीन को रेगुलेट करते हैं. दो रेगुलेटर्स जो होते हैं वो नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स ही हो सकते हैं. ओके, लेट्स हैव अ लुक फर्दर. इट सेड रेगुलेटर्स ऑफ ड्रग्स एंड वैक्सीन शुड नॉट हैव टू साइन ऑफ ऑन low pass filters. So they say that they should not sign off. उनको वो चीज sign off करना means to conclude some letter or maybe some decision. तो कहते हैं उस sign off करने की जरूरत नहीं है, वो आपको एक्ट से आप उस चीज़ को कंक्लूड करने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं ड्रग्स और वैक्सीन के लिए, तो आपको लो पास जो फिल्टर्स हैं वो कंक्लूड नहीं करना चाहिए या उनके लिए सहमति नहीं भरनी चाहिए. So far reaching are the effects of COVID-19. So far reaching are the effects of COVID-19. Far reaching मतलब अगर आप देखें इस समय तक, far reaching मतलब anything, this is a use of an adjective. Far reaching means that goes or stays for long. लंबे समय तक, मैं ऊपर लिखती हूँ, लंबे समय तक जिसका प्रभाव रहता है, या आप कह सकते हो कोई ऐसी चीज जो लंबे टाइम तक चलती है. So far reaching are the effects of COVID-19 that it has harried drug regulatory authorities, usually the most risk averse within the bureaucracy. जो ड्रग रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटी है वो जनरली कहते हैं मोस्ट ऑफ द केस रिस्क अवर्स होती है. रिस्क अवर्स इज एन एडजेक्टिव यूज्ड है. यहाँ पर रिस्क अवर्स कंपाउंड नाउन की तरह यूज हुआ है. ओके, रिस्क अवर्स का मतलब होता है जो कि जोखिम से दूर हो, which is away from risk. ओके, तो जो कि जोखिम के खिलाफ है, जोखिम से दूर है, अगेंस्ट है. अगर ब्यूरोक्रेसी के अगेंस्ट हम जो गवर्नमेंट रेगुलेटरी की बात करें, ब्यूरोक्रेसी वही होते हैं एम्प्लॉइज इन द गवर्नमेंट और द गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल, तो ये मोस्ट रिस्क अवर्स कैटेगरी में आता है. बट एट प्रेजेंट अगर आप देखें उन्हें जो इफेक्ट्स हैं कोविड-19 के, उसने इनको भी हिला कर रख दिया है. Do no harm is the driving principle of drug regulation, and this is reflected in the thicket of documents and permission. Thicket का मतलब होता है thick, something that is thick. Usually ये bushes के लिए यूज होता है, जैसे हम झाड़ी कहते हैं ना, जिसे तो थिक बुशेस होती हैं, या फॉरेस्ट या जंगल में आप देखो तो झाड़ियाँ, बुशेस या श्रब्स का जो होता है, दैट इज थिकेट. बट हियर इट इज थिकेट ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट्स एंड परमिशन. सो हियर थिकेट इज यूज्ड एज नाउन फॉर श्योर. दिस इज यूज्ड एज नाउन, बट थिकेट हियर मीन्स समथिंग थिक, थिकनेस की बात है. That stand before the average novel drug or vaccine for a chance at making it to the market. However, SARS-CoV-2, while mostly non-lethal means something that is not deadly. Non-lethal is an adjective that is not deadly, मतलब जो कि गैर घातक है. जो कि हमारे लिए हानिकारक नहीं है. So non-lethal kills across demography and age groups to confound उन चीज को confuse करना, to cause confusion. Okay, किसी confusion पैदा करना. To confound sophisticated care systems, जो कि एकदम properly जो setup है, जो care systems हैं, वो उनको भी confuse कर देता, उनको भी इसमें SARS-CoV, okay, I will just point out this SARS-CoV-2. It is, though it is non-lethal, it is not deadly. Still, it has killed a lot many people in age group to confound sophisticated care systems, and it has ultimately led confusion for anyone and everyone. That is especially or specifically stated about sophisticated care systems here, which are sophisticated means refined, okay, which are like of a fine quality. Sophisticated is an adjective here which is qualifying this care systems, okay. So वो बात करें sophisticated की, जो कि एकदम refined होता है, जिस ठीक है, जिसकी क्वालिटी एकदम सुप्रीम होती है, तो उनको भी उन्होंने कंफ्यूजन में डाल दिया, उनको भी उन्होंने कंफाउंड कर दिया. कंफाउंड इज दैट कॉजेस कंफ्यूजन, ओके. This has sent a signal to drug companies, biomedical firms and governments to scramble for anything. To scramble here to use as verb, that is उनको इसके लिए भी संघर्ष करना पड़ रहा है, उनको इसके लिए भी स्ट्रगल करना पड़ रहा है. They're struggling. It has led government and other firms to scramble for anything with even the slightest chance of success. तो इतना स्ट्रगल करें कि उनको कुछ तो अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले जहाँ पर उनको सक्सेस मिले किसी भी फेज में. It is in this context that regulators used to long timelines. Okay, it is in this context that regulators used to long timelines of testing new vaccines or drugs are now under pressure to facilitate a solution rather than stick to weighing and dwelling on evidence of efficacy and safety. कहते हैं कि usually जो regulators की बात करें तो सबको पता है कि it takes a lot of time in developing a vaccine and bringing it into the market and letting it cure people, right? So usually it's a long time, it's a long process. But now at present, the regulators and the other, I would say the people who are behind this have a lot of pressure. They're under pressure to bring the solution to get it instantly, right? Now this is dwelling, instead of dwelling on the proof, it says not to just wait and await the proof whether it is effective or not. Usually what happens, if a vaccine has been generated, it takes years of testing, or then we check for maybe 2 to 3 years and what I would say side effects it could have, right? We look for that. But instead of waiting for that, we wait for the evidence of efficacy. See, evidence is noun, that is proof किसी चीज का सबूत, right? Efficacy is the effectiveness, the ability. I will just clear the screen and write it down. So efficacy is noun, which means the ability to create or to generate effectiveness. Okay, so they are saying we should not be waiting for this. हमें इसका जो है इस प्रभावकारिता का wait नहीं करना है. We can't wait for this proof. इसका proof के लिए we have to keep going. थोड़ा they are under pressure to bring results quickly. Further says India's Drug Regulatory Authority as well as the Department of Biotechnology, which also funds vaccine development, drug research, now collaborate on fast tracking. Now they're collaborating on fast tracking means what? Fast tracking is a process, or you can say it's a technique. Okay, जहाँ पर previous जो schedule होता है उसके according सारे के सारे steps लिए जाते हैं. मतलब पहले से उन्होंने सेट किया होता है कि ये चीज हम एकदम फटाफट कर सकते हैं. उन्होंने एक टेक्निक बनाया पुराने एग्जाम्पल्स को लेकर जो कि फटाफट वो फॉलो अप करके उस चीज को कर सकते हैं. So this is what they have collaborated on fast tracking. For instance, instance here means for example. Okay, उदाहरण के तौर पर इस चीज को रखा गया है. If an Indian company has partnered with a foreign one in developing a vaccine, then any trials already conducted with a foreign unit would be considered in allowing Indian companies to avoid repeating them in India. तो जो पुराने, दिस इज फॉर फास्ट ट्रैकिंग, जो पहले से हो चुका है वो उसी को लेकर आगे बढ़ सकते हैं, जो चीज़ आज छूटी है उसको फर्दर कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं, वो पुराने प्रीवियस शेड्यूल से ही आगे स्टेप्स फॉलो कर सकते हैं. For drugs, those that have been proven to be safe for treating one disease may skip a fresh, large human trial or a phase 3 trial. They may skip this also. Potential vaccines. Potential means something that has a good amount of capability. Okay. Vaccines too are now allowed to combine stages of trials. Normally, regulators must approve results of each stage to permit those testing the drug to move to the next stage. The rush to compress timelines. This is the rush, this is the haste to compress the timelines. Compress is to shorten. कम कर देना. Okay, this is used as a verb here. To compress timelines in itself is no guarantee that a workable vaccine or reliable drug will emerge any faster. Drugs and vaccine development have historically been expensive because immunology is a complex, eternal struggle with disease and with high failure. So they say these two things have historically been expensive. They've always been expensive and rigorous because it needs a lot of efforts plus a lot of amount of funding or investment. This is because immunology is a complex struggle. When it comes to immunology, it has to be dealt with great, I would say, conscious, and a lot of failures are there, but you have to be consistent in your approach. There have been instances when disease mortality is so high that not offering even a half-baked drug. Half-baked is used as an adjective, or you can say it's a phrase right here, which means not developed properly. पूरी तरह विकसित ना हुआ. ठीक है, वो पूरी तरह से विकसित नहीं हुआ. इट इज नॉट डेवलप्ड कंप्लीटली. ऐसा वैक्सीन ड्रग वुड बी अनएथिकल, वुड बी इमोरल. दिस इज एन एडजेक्टिव. ठीक है, ये इमोरल होगा. इट वोंट बी गुड. That is a call regulators have to constantly take, but not all emergencies are the same. They say, but not all emergencies are the same. Sometimes you don't have time, sometimes you have time. So you can make time and look for the vaccines and drugs. Maybe you have a longer span of time and you can work on them accordingly. So it depends on the kind of emergency that is there running in the state at that particular moment of time. Next it says there is now a situation as in the case of itolizumab. This is an example quoted here related to one such vaccine, a psoriasis drug repurposed for COVID-19. It has been repurposed, it has been reused or suggested for COVID purpose, where the drug regulator has approved it for emergency use, but the COVID-19 task force has expressed its reservations. They have expressed reservations. Reservation is now, which means they have expressed their criticism. कटाक्ष. Okay, उन्होंने इसको they have criticized it that the vaccine or the drug used to cure something else is being used for curing COVID-19. So they some of the drug regulators have approved it, but COVID-19 task force that is managing it, they have criticized and they have shown their reservation or criticism. Such dissonance among experts is unacceptable, especially when they all have access to the same evidence. Such dissonance, that is lack of harmony. Dissonance is noun, that is lack of harmony, जिसको हम कहते हैं मतभेद होना. ठीक है, so they're saying that if they are experts who are dealing with this situation and they have some kind of they are not agreeing to one point, they are not unanimous in their decision, and yet their approach, there's lack of harmony, there's lack of peace. Okay, then this is unacceptable, because everyone knows what the other see, one person knows one thing, the other person also knows the same thing. There's nothing new. So they have same evidence, they have same information about it, yet some of them are accepting it and some of them are criticizing it. तो वो बोल रहे कि अगर इस तरह से ही रहा तो ये चीज अनएक्सेप्टेबल है और ये चीज हमारे लिए प्रॉब्लमैटिक रहेगी, बिकॉज एक्सपर्ट्स के बीच में ही आपस में ही मतभेद है. So it further says there is a tendency to view COVID-19 vaccine development or a new drug as a race in which only the first vaccine to be out matters. Historically, vaccines, even those targeting the same disease, only get better over time. Will COVID-19 continuously linger? Linger is a word which means it will stay for a long time as an endemic disease. Endemic is an adjective which means to stay at a particular place. एक जगह पर ही लंबे समय तक कोई चीज अगर टिकी रहती है, that is endemic. Endemic disease, or will it mutate into oblivion? Mutate, will it change into? Mutate is to change, मतलब आप कह सकते हो परिवर्तन होना. Or will it mutate into oblivion? So, what is oblivion now further here? When we say that change into oblivion, it means oblivion is a noun. First of all, it means a state of being unaware or unconscious, जिसको हम हिंदी में कहते हैं विस्मरण. तो कहते हैं या फिर वो ऐसी स्थिति में चला जाएगा जहां पर हम अनअवेयर और अनकॉन्शियस हो जाते हैं कि हमारे आसपास क्या हो रहा है. So will people get used to it, or will it still continuously linger as an endemic disease around us? If it is the former, scientists can continue to work on better drugs. अगर पहले जैसा होता है ये जो this और में से जो first condition है, then scientists should keep working on to get a better drug or improve vaccine. Haste does not aid science. It does not help science. अगर आप जल्दबाजी करेंगे तो वो आपको मदद नहीं करेगा. This is what they're trying to say. So ultimately, what is the point? The point is that we need to have patience. We need to be patient and we need to look for something better that is coming ahead. Right? Be patient. It is nothing, but you have to be safe and have a lot of patience. This was the article, and the word of the day that I would take for today will be dissonance, which is a noun, and it means lack of harmony. I would request you guys to frame your own sentences and comment us, and let us know what sentences you've been framing of the other words that we've done so far. You can go get the words on the site right there on the study material section, the Hindu vocab section. In the English study material, if you go, you get the vocabulary section. In that, the Hindu vocab section, you can get it right there, the list of the vocabulary. Alright? So, I would see you soon in the next session with a new article and a few more words to learn. Till then, keep learning and growing, learners. Thank you so much.